Well, how'd you like to have a place at beautiful Hudson Yards? Because now that this apartment is on the market, it could be in the cards. It's got a perfect place to work from home and tons of natural light. It's just steps away from the High Line. This apartment's a delight. Just look at all these windows and these beautiful bedrooms. It's a nice, quiet place to get some thinking done on a sunny afternoon. So reach out to Kim Hastie by giving this number a call and come see this apartment. I know you'll have